We saw him, and that's what counts. David Dobrik commented on my photo. Oh my god, dude! I can't, he's not gonna come meet me.
He's not gonna come. No, you have to, you have to.
This video is probably one of the craziest videos on my channel, and this is my experience meeting David Dobrik. Hello, welcome to the vlog. We think we're going to meet David Dobrik. Could be a trick, but we're gonna try. We've been running around. We've been running around for the last 20 minutes trying to find David Dobrik, and people keep telling us, oh my gosh, people keep telling us the wrong location, and so we've just been running around.
At Ashley Chin.
Oh my gosh, our friend's lying to us. I just can't.
Just kidding, she's trying her best.
Oh, we love her.
I love
okay.
her so much.
But the thing is, he keeps moving around. So every time we're like, okay, we're here, he's already gone.
And he has a car.
Yeah. Oh, but I see this crowd of people, and if this isn't him, oh my gosh. All these people are running. Like, this has to be it. If it's not, I am gonna scream. Oh, you can't even tell, but there's so many people up there. Oh, we're here. Oh my gosh. It stopped traffic. Or are they all here to see it? Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Oh shit. Oh. Wait. Oh frick. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop sign by, I don't know what. Where are you? Oh my god. I lost you.
That was crazy.
Things are so crazy, the cops had to come. I could be wrong. I don't know if they're gonna loop around campus or if they're just gonna go 35 because they looked like they were going to the highway. Like maybe they're going downtown, but then also like I feel like
would leave if I were them. That's too
yeah.
much.
Oh
but
my
I guess
gosh.
that's your job, so you know.
I wonder if this happens every time he goes somewhere. That's like crazy.
It's also probably different on a campus with 50,000 students.
Yeah, he goes to like USC a lot.
Oh, okay.
Which makes sense, but then they would be used to it, you know? If David Dobrik goes every week. I don't know, we're walking that way.
We're walking so far from my ticket.
I know, we were gonna go pick up her football ticket, but I don't know if this is gonna be, I don't know if this is worth it. Oh, that's not a photo, that's a video. Okay, so we caught the tail end of it. I think Natalie took a shot. There was some yelling, some Texas fight. Now we're going to pick up Sarah's OU ticket because we're already down here. I'm so thirsty. Like I was thirsty when we left and now I'm like, I'm parched. I feel like he's still gonna be around and people are gonna find him, but I just like, with the amount of time it takes to walk around this place, I mean, unless we like hop on a line, but I'm like, that's gonna take time too. I don't think it's gonna happen again. We saw him, and that's what counts.
We did what we set out to do. We didn't think we were going to.
We didn't. It happened. Oh my gosh. Oh, everyone's screaming.
Here right when they left.
It looks like though, it was just craziness. Like it looks like, I think because someone spread it, like someone posted a video right from the start, and I think once that video was posted, I think everyone who cares was like, I gotta go find him. Do you think there are people who left class for this?
Yes.
We didn't have class, so we were like, let's go.
It's a Friday.
It's a Friday, baby. Friday, getting to see David Dobrik. Might be in the vlog. I hope he puts Texas Fight in the vlog. That'd be so fun.
Then you can put it in your vlog.
Commentary's allowed. Hey guys, we're back at my dorm. We ran all over campus. We got pretty close to David, and I feel like in all my clips, I don't think it really like shows how close we are, but we got really close and we ran all over the place, but we finally found him. But it looked like when he was leaving, it looked like he was driving towards the highway, and I imagine that if he's doing something with Bumble, he probably has like some sort of brand things to attend to. So even though he's technically doing his job visiting us, I think he probably has some other stuff to do. We came back here and I passed out on the ground and drinking a lot of water. Little sad that I didn't see anyone get anything. I'm gonna be honest, even if we didn't get free money, I was hoping we'd see him hand out like $1,000 or a laptop.
True. We saw him give someone a shot.
He made his assistant drink a shot.
He was trying to give it to a student.
He was, but then they gave it back or something. Oh, people are commenting on my photo. So I just posted a photo on Instagram of me being kind of close to David Dobrik. If you're not already following me on Instagram, it's at allthatjessyt. You should do that because maybe next time I'll follow or find someone else famous. Who knows?
Chaos. I'd do it for you.
Oh, that's what you thought about today. That's so sweet. Yeah, poor Sarah, like, you were ready to go. I said, let's go meet him, and you were like, okay, let me change.
That's not true. I grabbed my purse.
You said you wanted to put on this shirt that could get sweaty.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah, you like just changed, grabbed your purse, you were ready. Lily almost went. Lily went to a chem review instead because she's a wonderful student. Proud of you. And then Ashley had to do stuff too. Yeah. So like, I don't know if I'm gonna insert the clip or not, but David Dobrik put on his Instagram a video of everyone, like this stampede of people following him, and it is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Like, it just, he says in it, he's like, it's like we're running a marathon, and it's so funny because like he looks shocked. Everyone's just running after him, but then like that's kind of like, why are you running? Thank you.
That's going in.
It is.
Saw him. I saw David Dobrik.
Oh my gosh.
I climbed half a mile and I left my test early to see him. I saw
You
him.
left your test?
He's like that. You can only see him once. I can drop a quiz or two.
We weren't busy. It kind of worked because we weren't, I mean, well, we were, okay, I was studying. David Dobrik commented on my photo. Oh my god, oh my god. Look. So the caption says, does this count as meeting David? And he responded, this counts. Wait, you need to reply.
Oh my god. Say, follow me.
Just be like, I love you. David Dobrik just replied to my comment. Did he really? I posted, I really did. Does this count as meeting David? This counts. That's so much. No,
wait, come here.
But just be like, but like, let's meet for real. Oh my gosh.
You're doing that.
David Dobrik just responded to my post. I said, does this count as meeting David? And he responded, this counts. He commented. Sarah, Jess, you need to reply while he's on it. I know, what do I say? Just be like, but let's meet for real. OMG. I can't, he's not gonna come meet me.
He's not gonna come.
No, you have to. You have to.
Wait, is he still around?
He's definitely in Austin, but I don't think he's on campus.
Damn it. I missed it. I was doing
I was just walking back with Lily and I was like, oh.
You're like, damn it.
Because I saw
I ran down the hall. I was so excited for you.
I like that you came in and you're like, she has something important to say, and I'm like, well, where is she?
I couldn't say anything.
Wow. Okay, this is what I want to reply.
OMG, but can we meet for real? Love you. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, go for it. Hit it. Well, guys.
You gotta reply fast.
Hang on, I'm gonna FaceTime my mom.
And also follow Lillian_Joe.
Y'all, today has been the craziest day. I'm so glad I didn't study. I'm a good student most days. Are you busy? I was gonna tell you really quick. Sorry, I'm with all the gals in the lounge. So I posted the photo of me with David, right? And by me with David, I mean me 15 feet away from David. And I captioned it, does this count as meeting David Dobrik? And I tagged him, and he saw the post, and he commented, it counts.
That is funny. That really is.
I'm so happy. So I didn't meet him, but he responded to my post, so happy gal. I've been vlogging today, so I want to get this vlog up like tomorrow and be like, meeting David Dobrik. I'm like shaking a little. I'm so amped up. We forgot to get the Oreos.
Oh, that's why we went in there. I was like, we came in there for a reason, didn't we?
How was it meeting David Dobrik?
It was crazy, but it made Jess very happy, so we're good.
A happy Jess is a happy life.
Dang it. Are you filming?
Yeah. This is very meta YouTube. Jess is editing. Oh my gosh, yes. Let me be the Joe to your David.
I love that reference so much.
David, where are you?
Jess, have you explained your clout goggles to your YouTubers?
You know what I need to explain? Do you know part of why I started linking them to you when I first saw them? Insane. Okay, I'm gonna go into editing zone now. Excuse me.
Oh, hey.
I can't.
Yeah, okay.
So guys, that was my experience meeting David Dobrik, and I think it counts because he said it did. So hey David, if you're watching this, hi, love ya. So much fun today. And if you know David Dobrik, like, please hang out with me tomorrow. Like, I want to meet you. Like, it was really nice seeing you from a distance, but like, come hang out with me. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.